Hello everyone, Thiago here. So today is August 16th, and I have an update about the comparison that I made, I think 1 month ago. So I compared Grok build with Google Pro AI subscription. Today this is not even a competition anymore. I was checking Grok build and Google Anti-Gravity AGY. And Google Pro is so frustrating. I believe I regret the subscription. I'm just using for example, when I run out of weekly limit on Grok build, which is SuperGrok, the subscription. And this week, I, I I had some quota left, and I decided to try to generate sprites with Grok build, and it's almost for free. Like generating sprites with Grok build is almost for free. I generated like maybe over 200 sprites, which like each sprite sheet I generate 16, but I think I generate maybe 300 or at least 200, and it's almost for free. I was using Google Anti-Gravity to generate sprites for this project, and it's really slow. You need to deal with like hidden quotas. I generate just a couple of sprites. It takes a long time to generate, and then you reach some hidden weekly limit. After that point, it generates just crap sprite. It downgrades to Flash 3.1, something like that. It's really terrible. The situation with the Google Pro AI, it's not even a competition. If you are going to have some backup plan, backup subscription, go check other options, maybe with OpenAI or Anthropic or whatever, because Google at this point, they should really improve, I would say, because currently it's, oh my god, it's so bad. It's so bad. For coding, it's slow. It's also, maybe if you are going to prototype, like if trying to toy with something, maybe you can use Google Anti-Gravity AGY. But for serious stuff, no. Like I was trying to work with this engine, and at this point I can just advance with Grok build. I cannot advance with Google anymore. It produces a lot of errors. I need to keep checking, and then I need to keep fixing with Grok build, and it's slow. The biggest issue is like, oh my god, it's so slow. If someone tried it and you have not tried the other options like Grok build, I talk about Grok because I have just experience with Grok. I don't have a subscription OpenAI or Anthropic. So because yeah, I'm almost I spent a lot on those two, and for my current workload, that's enough. Even for my hobby, it's enough those two. But from this week, like I have not used all my week limit on Grok build. I have not even used the Google, the anti-gravity quota almost. So it's really terrible. So this is my update. Forget about Google. I have this subscription. I just going to use like when I'm really running out of quota on Grok, for example, and it's just in extreme situations. So I can use for some prototype or something like that. But for serial stuff, it's almost a no deal. Um, yeah. So this is my upgrade. I'm not even going to oh my god, do this comparison like really in detail, comparison because it does not worth like you do way more work with SuperGrok or Grok build at this point. It's not even does not worth doing this comparison that I tried to do last month. This month, I think the situation is completely different. It was bad last month uh, in the Google side, but this month it's worse. Like I, Google is not progressing that fast. It's not. I don't know what they are doing, but they should improve. That's my recommendation for them. Google, please do something like you are terrible at this point. Please. Okay. Bye.